guys, my name is Kylie. Just wanted to hop on real quick, give my honest review on this beautiful knife set that I have. It's the J.A. Henckels brand. As you can see, it's on this really nice heavy duty wood block. We love the natural wood color. It matches our aesthetic of our kitchen really well. Has the 6 steak knives and then has some like bigger ones for chopping. Has the bread knife. We use this a lot for our sourdough and is really good with our bread. All these blades are stainless steel and very, very sharp, which you love when you have knives. So really has their brand engraved on there. So I'll just show you a couple cuts through like butter, just really, really easy through this sausage and through these grapes. Seriously, just they cut beautifully, guys. Would definitely recommend these to you. 10 out of 10. We've had them for years and they still cut like brand new even without sharpening them.